Hello guys, let's learn how to split our videos or render multiple parts of our video using DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing you're going to do is to set your input and output timer. So I'll go over here to the deliver page. All right, so now we have this in the deliver page. The first thing I'll do is to set this marker point. So let's say this is my first point. I'll just close this. And what I'll do from here is to select the video type. So let's say it's for YouTube. I'll select YouTube and I'll just call that point 1, like so, and I'll add that to the render queue. So now I have point 1. If I need to export any other part, so what I'll do is to drag this timer, let's say from this part, I'll hit I to set the input point and I'll drag it over here to the end and I'll set that output point to O. So all I need to do now is to go over here and call this point 2. So now that I have point 1 and point 2, I'll just go ahead and click on add to render queue. So now I have two jobs. This is my point 1 and this is my point 2. And if for any other reason I need to also render out any point, I can still go back here, set this as the in point by hitting I and dragging the timeline here and hitting O to set that to out. And I'll call that point 3. And also add that to the render queue. So now I have 3 jobs, each one. If I need to render all of them at the same time, I'll hold shift, go down to the job 3, and I'll hit render all. This is going to render your videos in parts. So if you are using TikTok and you have a limitation of 10 minutes, you can split your video into 6 or 4 minutes or 5 and 5 minutes. That's how you can do that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.